Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where we explore vehicles built for real-world driving. And today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that continues to be one of the most trusted choices for families and daily commuters. The Honda CR-V has always focused on practicality, comfort, and efficiency, and the 2026 model is expected to carry that mission forward with subtle refinements. It's designed for everyday life, whether that means school runs, work commutes, road trips, or simply enjoying a reliable and easy-to-drive SUV that fits into almost any lifestyle. On the outside, the 2026 CR-V presents a clean and confident design. Its proportions feel balanced, with a slightly wider stance that gives it a planted look on the road. The front end is expected to feature sleek LED headlights with a modern shape, while the grille and body lines keep the styling mature and understated. Around the rear, the signature vertical-style taillights add familiarity while enhancing visibility and presence. Inside the cabin, the CR-V is expected to focus on comfort and smart design. Materials should feel solid and well-finished, with soft-touch surfaces in key areas. Seating is comfortable and supportive, offering plenty of headroom and legroom for both rows. Practicality remains a strong point, with flexible cargo space and clever storage solutions that make daily use simple and stress-free. The 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to be offered in multiple trims, allowing buyers to choose between value-oriented models and more premium versions. Lower trims should cover essential comfort and safety features, while higher trims are likely to add upgraded interiors, larger displays, and additional convenience features. Under the hood, the CR-V is expected to offer an efficient turbocharged engine with a hybrid option available for buyers focused on fuel savings. Acceleration should feel smooth and responsive, while the overall driving experience is expected to remain calm, stable, and easy to manage in all driving conditions. Fuel efficiency is expected to be a major strength, with estimated figures that make the CR-V economical to own, especially in hybrid form. Official numbers haven't been confirmed yet. Technology is expected to include a modern infotainment system with smartphone integration, along with Honda sensing safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to start around a competitive price for the segment, making it ideal for buyers who want reliability, comfort, and long-term value. In the end, the CR-V continues to define itself as a smart, dependable SUV built for the future of everyday driving. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.